Welcome to Gyanthara People Teacher Online Study Point, and today we are going to study about innovations in educational technology. So, technology and scientific development has modified the form of education. So, it is much influenced by the industrialization also. The means of mass communication and the transports have increased its dynamicity. So, knowledge is exploding at such a tremendous rate that innovations are taking place in fields of educational technology very rapidly. So, apart from the blackboard education, now we are getting education through various types of technological approaches, and you can say there are lots of innovation have been done in educational technology since the decade, and it is a pre-planned novel and scientific specific changes which all the quantities of specifications are inherent, and which is absolutely aimed at the development as well as improvement of the present circumstances scenarios in the education technology. So first of all, I would like to tell you all that you should note this line that technological and scientific development has modified the form of education, and innovations have been taking place daily. Now, what is innovation? First of all, we have to know what is innovation. So, innovation is something you can say it's a blending of the new and the old, and manifesting a new unit with all the characteristics of new and old. So, innovation, you can say it's a idea plus technology. So, there are different types of innovations have been uh, taking place in different fields, but in education also the innovations have are taking place in the field of education technology very rapidly, and a good teacher should always acquaint himself with these innovations and should use them in the teaching process to make the teaching process quite effective. I have made this short video of innovation and what are the different innovations which are using which we are using as a teacher in our education fields, and we will discuss a few of these innovations in you can say uh, in large I'm not getting the word. We will learn few of these approaches exclusively. The first important one, which is in your course, like we will discuss the multimedia approach, we will discuss the PSI, we will discuss CAI, and we will discuss the system approach and programmed instruction, which I have told you in earlier videos also. So these few approaches we will study in details, and the rest of the things I will explain you in short. So in multimedia approaches, we will learn it in uh, detail. PSI we will learn in detail, CI we will learn in detail. Now we will learn about the satellite communication. So satellite communication and radio vision, use of internet, use of email, which we do frequently nowadays. You can know there are various kinds of online courses, CD-ROM, simulated teaching. I have told you interaction system, Blender's interaction system. I have told you in my earlier video, simulated teaching. I have told you in earlier video, and these are the radio vision, internet, email, and CD-ROMs, and the modular approach we use extensively in our education system frequently for getting and preparing our notes and knowledges. I also use the satellite communication, that's like we when Chandrayaan was landing, we are seeing that things, है ना? We are seeing that things on TV, on social media, of course. So by doing this kinds of approaches, we use education. Now there is a education satellite, EduSat, have been launched by the government, which we use frequently for teaching. So these are different things, and the rest of the innovations like multimedia approaches, PSI, CAI, and etc. We will learn one by one in detail in our next video. So this is the introductory video of innovation in educational technology. I hope you understand the concept. You just write down these points in your notes just for a study, and we will study every point of this in the details in our next video. So in next video we are going to discuss about multimedia approach, PSI, CI, all the three approaches. Okay, thanks for watching Gyandhara. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.